morning. Dave McDonald's How to Draw Cartoons. Welcome. Where did that voice come from? I don't know. I hope you're having a good day. Saturday morning, How to Draw Cartoons. Yes, another edition. And we've got a lot of fun in store for you today. A lot of things to share with you. Let's get started. Okay, first thing I wanted to show you a colored drawing that I had done from one of our previous videos. I had some irate viewers tell me that they loved to see the colored drawings. Those irate viewers were in my family, so that's why I'm saying they were irate. They weren't irate. They weren't mad. They just like to see the colored drawings after we draw them in black and white. So here we go with our safety patrol snail crossing. I love the little detail here. He's going to school, or she's going to school. A little book bag on the back. The snail shell is the backpack. Love it. Yes, so that was fun to do. And color. Okay, for today, before we draw, I have something to share with you. I had another viewer write me and share with me a drawing that they did. Check this out. This is Dr. Flat Heat. Flat Heat. He's an iron, get it? So this viewer is from India. His name is Haram, and Haram is in grade 6, he tells me, and he loves watching my videos, and I'm giving him a shout out today. Hey Haram, I hope you're doing well. All the way over there in India. It's a long way away from here in the US, South Carolina, but I'm glad you're enjoying the videos. I'm glad you're drawing and having fun. He also sent me another picture, which was a gift. It was an art piece that he had done. It was the submarine sandwich. Do you remember when we drew that together? So he drew it, but he used Adobe Fresco to draw it, which is a computer program. So my friend Haram is entering into the world of digital illustration. And that's something even Mr. Dave, I haven't even done that yet. So congratulations, Haram. I'm glad to see your work. Keep it up. Keep it up. You're doing a great job. All right, so today we're going to draw, let's see, a little chicken, a chick, and we might add some funny little details. And so go ahead and grab your pencil, and we're going to draw this character I guess we could draw it here just to the right of center. So his head is big, and it's basically a circle shape, so go ahead and draw a circle. And if you draw with me, you know I like to use my simple shapes to get started. Another simple shape for the body is another oval or circle shape at the bottom, kind of like an egg shape. That's going to be his body. And his eyeballs, we're going to give him glasses. So circle, circle. They don't have to be perfect circles, don't worry about it. And then kind of a little triangle here for the beak. Triangle. And maybe that little funny thing that hangs down. Maybe you can look that up. Let me know what they call that. So if these are glasses, they're connected. And then maybe we'll just put the little stems of the glasses sticking out like this. The pupils, let's make them looking upward. So circles up there. And maybe a concerned look. So concerned, we would take the eyebrows and upturn them like this a little bit. He's a little concerned. All right, so the body's going to come down like this. Maybe, let's see, maybe he's got one little wing coming up on his face like this because he's concerned. He's putting his wing up like this. And then the other one is just down, so it's just kind of like a triangle shape with a curve. Just a little pointy part. So two triangles, one up, one down. And on the bottom, we'll just do two little short straight lines to make a leg. And we'll just do this. Bing, 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 bing. Just like three little triangles. All right, and on the top of his head, we can do a little hair up there. All right, so that's our little chick, and we'll draw the horizon line back there. Maybe there's some dirt on the ground, maybe a little grass or something. All right, cloud in the sky. Let's put that up here. And we're going to add another detail. Yes, another detail. All right, he's not just going to be alone on the page. We're going to add another character. So here's what we're going to do. Over here, watch this. Go ahead and put, it's a rectangle shape, but it's curved a little bit. Almost, well, it kind of looks like that elbow macaroni, right? It's like an elbow macaroni right here. We're going to turn this shape into a man. And this man, let's see, very simple though. We're going to simplify it. So let's see here. Let's see, where's his nose? His nose will be here. So just a nose out there like an oval shape. Two little dotted pupils. Maybe some happy eyebrows. A smile. All right. And maybe a hat. So do this. A little brim like this. And go up. Down. Up. Down. Just a little hat with a band on it. And one arm out like this. So another elbow macaroni with an oval at the end. He's holding something. He's holding, put this in his hand, a little straight line with a curve at the bottom. Handle, what do you think that is? He should be holding it by the handle, but he's not. It is, you guessed it, an umbrella. Upside down letter U for your umbrella, right? Now, for his legs, just do this. Curved line, oval, oval. Other hand, let's give him a shirt with a little V right here. That's his shirt. Pants down here. Again, we're just keeping it real simple. His other arm out to the side. Real simple. Now, he's above the ground with his umbrella. So maybe we do this. We add some details. A shadow on the ground. And he's coming down from above. So some motion lines. Straight lines that go from the top down to the character. Maybe with some lines like this through it. Motion lines. He's in motion. Right? Okay. Now let's start to ink this little creation. How did yours come out? Again, we just used some circles and ovals over here and a little elbow macaroni shape to make a man. So, I like using those simple shapes. And let's see here. Worry. And let's see, glasses, circles. Don't have to be perfect circles, as you can see. Pupils. Let's try to leave that little hint of reflection in the corner. Right? Maybe we thicken up the glasses just a bit because it's a frame for glasses instead of just an eyeball shape. So we can thicken that up. Looks more like glasses now. Okay. Triangle. Doohickey. Is that what that's called? Remember, you're going to look that up for me. All right. The feet Just come down straight and then go out like little triangles. And some detail on the ground. Horizon line behind. And you could take time to do a fence or some bushes. But since I'm drawing two characters, I'm going to run out of time. So let's see here. All right, we've got an umbrella. With our motion lines. Okay, for that oval, see, I put his thumb there. Then watch. Finger, finger, finger. Up to his body. Okay, that hat, brim. With a band. Motion lines. You know what? These motion lines I'd rather do with a technical pen. Helps keep them the same size. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, let's see here. We can put an ear on him if we want. Okay, come down. Big nose. Expressive, happy. Now he's falling, but he's happy, so I think that's because he knows he's safe with his umbrella. Again, we just used elbow macaroni shape to create this character. Very simple, right? Curved line, foot, oval, foot, motion lines. Okay, did I get all the details? Oh, shadow beneath him. He's coming down. We can see the shadow. All right, let's do some erasing, and then I'm going to add one final detail. Maybe some of you have figured out what that detail is going to be. It might be funny. It might be silly. I can pretty much guarantee it's going to be silly. You might not laugh, though, if you don't like my sense of humor. As you can tell, I like my sense of humor. It cracks me up. Okay, let's get this guy erased. This guy. That sounds like something. This guy. Give him a little fluff of fur there, feathers. How about this guy? This guy is falling. Get it? This guy is falling. Get it? That was hilarious to me. This guy is falling. Oh, that's a duck. That's not a chicken. This guy is falling. Oh, my word. Little word balloon here. This guy is falling. Oh my. Again, I cracked myself up. You like that? It's Chicken Little. The sky is falling. Well, anyway, jokes aside, I hope you had fun drawing that with me using our simple shapes to create a drawing with 2 characters. Yes, awesome. Go ahead and color that if you wish, and have a great week. I'll see you next time here on Saturday morning, How to Draw Cartoons with Dave McDonald. All right, stay safe, be well, and be kind to one another.